Hey, today I'm going to share to you how should you operate our RHB Tradesmart platform on a very basic level. It will show you steps on how to carry out some procedure. Without further ado, let's start. First of all, you need to come to this website rhbtradesmart.com, or you can actually Google search for RHB Tradesmart. Then the first result will be here. Okay. Click login, put in your username and password, then press enter. It should lead you to your landing page. So this is how it looks on a normal day. Let's say I wanted to buy this stock called Maybank. What should I do? So I have to proceed to the bottom right corner, which is over here, order pad. Then it shows the stock name, Maybank. Select account number, I have to select my name. Then if you want to buy, click on buy. It will show in green color. If you want to sell, press on sell, and then it will come up red color. So it will actually prevent you on misclick the action. So I'm going to buy. So the quantity, the minimum quantity that you have to buy in Bursa Malaysia for every stock is 100 unit. In a multiply of 100, you can buy 100, 200, 300, 400, but you cannot buy 150, 250, 330, so on and so forth. This is the lot size of Malaysia. So over here, let's test. I wanted to buy 1000. Price, I want to buy lower, so let's put in 825. So the total price is about 8,000 something. Let's see. This is the trading pin. Put in the trading pin and click buy. It right here submitted. So let's see whether my order get matched or not. Go over here, order status. Then it will shows my client code, my account number, stock name. It's a buy. What's the price and the status. Okay, we have a few status type. For example, you can see over here in market. In market, it means your order is already queued in the market but haven't bought or sold yet. We have a few other types. For example, we have expired. Expired, it means when you queue until the end of the day, which is 5 PM later, and your order didn't get matched, so it shows expired afterwards. Or you can see your status is rejected. Rejected, it means your order get rejected by our system, and it could be a few reasons. It could be not enough trading limit, it could be wrong quantity, it could be wrong price as well. If you put up too high or too low of the price, it will reject you as well. Then you have also completed. Completed, it means you successfully buy it or have sold it already. Both it shows completed. Now I'm going to show you how should I cancel or change my order. For example, if I want to cut my quantity from 1000 to 500, let's say, so I have to put in reduce. Then I put 500. I have to input my trading pin, then I put confirm. Then you'll see cancel quantity 500, balance quantity 500, which means there's only 500 unit of Maybank buy order is queuing at this price by me. The other are cancelled already. So what if I wanted to cancel the entire order? What should I do? Same thing, right click it, instead of reduce I put cancel. So input trading pin as well, press confirm, then you'll see cancel. Cancel means your order is no longer valid or queued in the market already. Next, let me show you on how should you create your own watch list, because you know, right, every one of us have our preferred stock to watch. So there could be a few, not only one or two. For example, I am really interested in buying some construction stocks, for example. So I wanted to compare them and let's see which one dropped so that I can buy the few. go to coder name. Let's say I wanted to see Gamuda. I will add to watch list, example watch list number 8. What else in construction? Let's say IJM. Gonna click on IJM, then come out. I will add into watch list 8 as well. Then let's say Econ Paul Berhad. Same thing, add to watch list number 8. Okay, that's enough for demonstration. Let's see what's in my watch list. Watch list number 8. Here you go. You can actually sort it by alphabetically, or you can sort it by volume, which is my favorite, because you know then which one has the highest volume, where it will be easier for us to get in and get out from the stock. Okay, so this is how you're gonna create your own watch list. Beside watch list, you can also actually see these few other things. Let me explain it. Top 30 volume. Over here, you will see the entire Bursa Malaysia exchange, the top 30 stocks that has the highest volume. It means people has the most buying or selling interest over the stock. You will see. Let's example, you see today the champion is Luster. You have this 278 million unit of stocks have been traded only for today. So you have the top 30, which means these are the one that people are actually looking for. Next thing, you will see top 30 gainer percentage and top 30 gainer without percentage. The difference is over here, percentage, it means the stock that went up the most in terms of percentage. So you will see, for example, this stock, Centauria Warren B. You will see today alone, it went up 64% just today, because you will see reference price is 7 cents, last price is 11.5, so it went up 64% alone. Then you will see top 30 gainer without percentage. This is how much a stock went up by absolute amount. For example, this stock FANG 2XL, it went up by 1 ringgit 06. Reference price is 12.86, last price is 13.92, so it went up $1. Next thing, you will see top 30 loser percentage and top 30 loser. So this is the opposite way of gainer, which you have the top loser. How much a stock can lose in a day. So this is the top loser, you see. So let's imagine your bank account just evaporated 56% in a day. How would you feel? So you have to be careful in this stock. Same goes to loser. This is absolute amount. So you see 20 cents, 19 cents, 18 cents, so on and so forth. Next one, KLCI constituent stock. Just in case you don't know, our KLCI index is made out of the top 30 companies that has the highest market capitalizations in Malaysia. So these are the one. These are the top 30. You will see a few familiar names, for example, Public Bank, Genting Malaysia, Axiata, which is Celcom, DG, Top Glove, so on and so forth. So in the case of most of these stocks went up, our index will go up as well. But if most of this stock goes down like today, then our CI will go down, vice versa. Then next thing, you will see a watch list, as I showed you earlier. This one has not really useful, but you can actually sort the screener based on alphabetical. Nothing much. Next thing, you have bought. You may actually wanted to skip half of this and only focus on ETF, ACE, and MAIN. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. So you can actually buy ETF over here in Bursa Malaysia as well. Or you can actually scroll through ACE, which is ACE market, which command a smaller market cap or a lower profit ability. Next one, you can actually see MAIN. main is main market. And also you can actually see main market, the color of the stock is in white color. Ace market, the color of the stock is in orange color. That differentiate. And also, other than that, you can actually sort stocks using sector. So for example, if you're bullish on the sector of property, you can actually sort it here. Then you'll see which stocks are falling under the sector of property, because you know, right, we have over 1,000 stocks in Malaysia and we couldn't understand each and every stocks after all. So this function is very helpful for us to know which sectors have which stocks. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how should you deposit your fund into RHB Tradesmart. There are a few ways. Of course, the first way would be go to the bank over the counter, pass them your account book or your cards or your check or whatsoever, ask them to deposit into our designated account. That is the first way. Or the second way, you can actually direct do it now or instant transfer to our designated account as well. And after that, just snapshot the receipt, send it to us. Third way will be using our RHB Tradesmart platform, and that is what I'm going to show you here. You have to go to portfolio, then click for internet banking or FBX, then over here click your account number, you come out your name. Then if you are using RHB saving account, click for RHB now, but if you're not, then go for internet banking. Deposit amount, let's say you want to put in 10,000, put in 10,000. And for your information, there will be no charges for any deposit or withdrawal for RHB Tradesmart. Then you just press on proceed. Proceed, then it will lead you to the bank. There are a few notes that you have to take if you are using FBX over here. So the transfer limit is up to only 30,000 in one shot. That's a maximum cap. And also, you are only able to do it only on weekdays, which is Monday to Friday, 7 to 5 only. You cannot do it on weekend, you cannot do it on public holiday whatsoever. So if that doesn't annoy you, feel free to use this. This is the easiest among all. But you also have to take note, this function is not available on our mobile apps. So you have to use desktop or PC, or don't use app in a phone to actually use this function. Then you just put on proceed, and then it will lead you to the landing page of each of your bank. Next function that I'm going to show you is how should you check your account balance, how much you have in this account. You have to go to portfolio, account portfolio. Then when you click here, then it will come up how much cash you have in your account. Let's say client number, this is your client number, client name, remisier code, CDS account number. Okay, take note, CDS account number, you have to add on 087 in front of this. There will be total 15 digit, 15 digit in all for CDS account number. Then purchases, it means how much that you have purchased for the last 2 days, which means yesterday and the day before yesterday. It will show it here. Sales, same, how much you have sold on yesterday and the day before yesterday. Contra gain or loss, it means if you have sold something that you haven't paid already, then it shows it here. DRCR note, it means debit credit note. Usually we're giving out interest on a monthly basis if you have extra fund in this account, and the interest will actually varies from time to time. Feel free to check with your daily remisier. Trust money, this is the one. Trust money is the cash balance that you have in your account. Negative signs over here, it means you have extra, you have surplus in the account. Not to worry whether you need to top up or not, because over here net outstanding, if it is negative, it means what you have in the account is more than enough to cover what you have purchased. So negative, it means surplus. But if you don't see negative, there is no sign, it means you are deficit. You have to top up the balance as soon as possible, or your dealer reminder will actually contact you for that purpose. A few other basic things that you might want to go through is your shares at hand. Over here, when you click search, then it will come out whatever shares that you have in your portfolio at the moment. So it shows you how much you have bought in total, how much it's worth now, how much you are earning or losing in terms of percentage, so on and so forth. Then you will have outstanding transaction as well. Here it will shows you how much you have bought, put in money, withdraw money, so on and so forth. By transactions, it will show it here. Then you'll see statement. Statement is the official receipt that our investment bank will actually issue to you on whenever you have a transaction basis. If you have the transaction yesterday, then it will come up yesterday note. If you don't have it, then it won't show. So click on view or download it, feel free. It can only save up to 6 months statement only. So remember to download it if you want to save it for your bookkeeping purpose. Next question you might want to ask is, how should I withdraw the money after I've get some profit? So for that matter, you will see actually there's no functions over here in the RHB platform. You can actually do it. So what you have to do is you have to contact your dealer reminder, WhatsApp or call them, telling that you wanted to withdraw the money, and then they will actually do it on their internet system instead of over here. But that will be pretty much very fast as well. If you are able to tell me before 9 in the morning, then I should be able to process your money to withdraw on the same day at 7 PM. But if you're after 9, then probably you have to wait for next working day, 7 PM as well. So it will be on the same day basis or a next day basis. Then you might also want to ask me how much trading limit or credit limit I have in the account that I can use to buy. So you can check it here, portfolio, account portfolio. Then if you click on search, then it will come out over here. It shows you available credit limit. This is the limit that you have in your account that you can buy stocks. Please take note also, most of the functions here are similar when you're using a phone apps in your mobile phone. The place or the locations of the function might differ a bit, but the keyword or the term will be the same. So what you have to do is to familiar with the apps or familiar with the website, whichever which is convenient to you. That's about it. Feel free to ask more questions in the comment below, or you can actually ask me if you are my client already, how should you operate this platform to actually help you to enhance your trading experience. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.